Hey, what's up you guys? Matt Thibeau here with Savant Marketing Agency, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 proven ways to create a winning Facebook ads campaign. Now, if you're watching this right now and maybe you're running Facebook ads on your own for your contracting business, and maybe you were running Facebook ads for a while, and for a while they were working pretty good, and then you noticed that all of a sudden they stopped working, or maybe you noticed that your Facebook ads just aren't working as well as they used to. Well, in this video, I'm going to break down these 5 things that you can do that's going to create a winning Facebook ad campaign, because Facebook ads is not the same as what it used to be like a year ago or 2 years ago. It's drastically different. It's very, very different. So in this video, we're going to talk about some of the changes that have been made, and I'm going to give you these 5 things that you can do today for your Facebook ads so that you can create a winning Facebook ad campaign for your contracting business, get more leads, close more deals, and make a lot more profit into your contracting business so you can pay your guys and grow your business and, do all that great stuff. So let's jump right into things here. So the first tip that I have for creating a winning Facebook ad campaign is to do the messaging feature on Facebook ads. There's a lot of different features that you can do in Facebook ads of how you can run an ad, right? Like you could run the ad to your website. You could just do like a phone number. You can optimize for conversions, or you could do this, you could do that. I recommend, especially if you're starting, just do the ad, set it up for messages. So it says like get more messages to your page. Just set it up for that, because Facebook is going to be able to pretty easily get messages from people. It's going to be probably the cheapest lead that you can get. They're not going to be as qualified, let's say, as if someone comes through your website form and fills that out, but they're going to be much cheaper, and you're going to have enough of a volume of messages to be able to work from, to be able to make it worth your while, so that, you can get as many leads as possible. So that's the first thing, is I would say do a messages campaign. This is going to be much easier for you than, say, if you're just running ads to your website or something on Facebook. Also, what this means is that you don't have to have a great website to be able to run a profitable Facebook ads campaign. If you do the messages feature, then you can literally just do messages to your page, and you don't need even a website or any of that. So very simple, very easy to do. Tip number 2 is using pictures in your ads or using videos. Well, what we found actually is that you should not use videos. Do not use videos in your Facebook ads. What we found is that for whatever reason, pictures are always outperforming videos, and I'm not sure why, but lately it just seems like that's what's working. Especially if the pictures will have like pictures of your crew or you in it. People just want to see people, and I just find that it works way better right now in Facebook ads, and that's pretty much it. So use pictures, try to avoid video, and you're going to see that your ads are performing much better. Tip number 3 is, should you use broad targeting or should you use specific targeting? Well, what we found now lately with Facebook ads specifically is you don't want to be very specific in your targeting. So what this means is, like, you don't want to set your targeting for people who are between the ages of like 30 to 50 and have an interest in, renovations and live in this specific area and have recently bought a home. You don't want to go too specific like that anymore in your Facebook ads. Back in the day, you'd be able to do that kind of stuff, and Facebook would pull leads that were fairly qualified within that targeting, and it would work. It's not the case anymore. You want to go pretty broad with your targeting. Almost the broader the better, because it's going to give Facebook a little bit more leeway in what it can work with to deliver the ads to the people you're looking for. Facebook is relying a lot more on AI now, and so if you constrict its targeting, then it's just going to get more and more expensive, or you're just going to not even get any impressions with your ad. So keep it broad. All right, tip number 4 is going to come down to your copy. So because now we're doing broad targeting, obviously now though, more people who are not qualified are going to be seeing the ad at least, right? And so you need to be able to call them out with your copy and give a compelling message that's going to make them want to reach out to you. So the the easiest thing that you can do with your copy on your Facebook ad, which is just the messaging on your Facebook ad, is to do some kind of if-then statement. So an if-then statement. So what that means is saying something like, if you're looking to get your hardwood floors refinished this summer, then we're the team for you, etc., etc. Or if you're looking to remodel your kitchen in the next year or blah, 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 then we can help you. And so basically what you're doing is you're calling someone out for what they're looking for, wanting to do, and saying what they should do next. And so this little trick is going to help you with identifying quickly like who it is that you're looking to call out, and then call them out and get their attention, and then go into talking about what you have to offer. And I always recommend that you stay very benefits oriented. Like, don't talk so much about like, hey, we've been in business since 1990, whatever, and we're licensed and insured and we do all this stuff. Those are all kind of feature oriented things. What you want to say is, hey, we've been in business for this long. So what that means for you is that you can be assured you're going to get the job done right the first time. It's going to look exactly how you want, et cetera, et cetera. So what's in it for them, right? Not just talking about what's in it for you. All right. So finally, tip number 5 is coming up with a unique offer. So many contractors advertise, but they don't have any specific offer. And so when you don't have an offer, you tend to just kind of come across like every other contractor. We need something that's going to reach out and grab the audience so that they're going to, like, their attention is going to be on the ad, and they're going to be like, wow, what is happening here, right? And so a lot of the time, contractors will go to some kind of price-related offer, right? They'll say like, hey, we're offering this discount or something until this time, but I don't recommend you do that. Instead, what you should do, what works really well with advertising especially, is offering some value, right? So offering some kind of value. And what that could look like is throwing in something for free, right? So let's say that when someone gets their basement renovation done, you throw in a free fireplace. Or let's say that you throw in a warranty, an extended warranty offer. Or let's say you're a painter, you throw in a free color consultation. So throwing in and adding value typically is something you're already doing in your business, or something that you can get at a lower cost than if you were to just discount the services anyway. Like, I'll give you an example right here. We were talking to an epoxy floor contractor the other day, and he said, well, my offer that I do for people is I will do like 10% off or something like that. I'm like, okay, if you really want to do a discount type offer, instead, let's say the 10% off comes to $200, right? Well, literally what you could do is instead just say, hey, when you work with us, we give you a free $150 gift card to get some nice, furniture or whatever, And so now you're actually spending less money on that, right? 150 instead of 200 with the discount, but it has a higher perceived value because they get to go and buy like nice pictures or whatever, right? A new chair or something like that, right? And so that's an example of adding value instead of discounting, but it changes the perception, right, for the buyer. And so these are the 5 tips that I have for you to create a winning Facebook ad campaign. If you have any questions, let me know. You can comment below. I'd love to be able to answer more questions that you have about Facebook ads. And so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate the support. Again, if you have any questions, you can comment on the video. But guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.